Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! Welcome to the 1 Minute of Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Now, keep inspired, keep motivated, and look to kickstart your day. You can book your free 30-minute LDL power call by sending me a text message on 07801 543 515. My calendar is wide open for you because today, it's the perfect day to start to eliminate that problem or issue that you've got right now. Think about what problem you have right now and how much you want to stop. Only by you taking action will begin that journey. So, stop ignoring the pain. The time is now. But first, here is today's quote. Being alone is a power very few can handle. Some people love to be alone, while for others it's the worst feeling in the world. For those who do enjoy being alone, it's the peace, it's the lack of distraction, and sometimes just the opportunity to tune out the rest of the world and spend that alone time on your own. It is a power very few can handle because, well, normally they have to rely on others. So, try it. Embrace it and learn to love your own company again.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.